Hello there. In this video, I am gonna show you how to turn off auto launch of applications in Windows 11. One of the most common factors that can cause prolonged running of Windows 11 or any previous version of Windows are programs and applications that launch automatically as soon as Windows starts. These programs are usually chatted programs, game stores, cloud services, or some programs that you use in your work, but in the end, you can run them yourself until you get into the crisis of Windows lag and slow your device as soon as it starts. Officially install Windows 11. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Choose Apps. From the side menu of Settings, choose Apps. 3. Choose Startup. 4. Stop applications you do not want to start automatically. When you start Windows 11, you will find a list of applications and programs installed on your device. This list includes apps and software that you have installed through the Microsoft Store or from the internet. Next to each program, there is a button to enable or stop the auto run when Windows boots up. We advise you to turn off all the applications that you do not need immediately after turning on your device, but without compromising the system applications and services. Here we go. We are done. MD was with you on everything. PS.